The new year might be a good reason to find a new resolution, but we think that you should get in shape whenever you feel like it simply because this is the best thing to do for your body. It all starts with a good diet to have the right energy to move around all day. Make sure you watch this video until the end to see what you should drink before every meal. If you love health as much as we do, don't forget to subscribe, and please give this video a big thumbs up. Today, we are showing you 20 foods that might help you lose weight. Whole fruits. You have probably heard about juicing. Some people drink a lot of juice or even drink only juice because they think that it will make them lose weight. But that's not true. What you should do instead is to eat whole fruits. That's because juice is relatively high in calories and won't keep you as full as solid food will. So you'll end up drinking more. A whole fruit provides more micronutrients for the same number of calories. With more fibers, the feeling of fullness will be increased and the absorption of calories will also decrease. This is why a whole fruit and a glass of water will be better for your diet. Quinoa. This food is becoming more and more popular now that people know its benefits. That's because quinoa is not only filling, but also loaded with nutritional value, including nutrients that might help you lose weight. The protein in the quinoa is also harder to break down than carbs or fat, so you'll also burn more calories during digestion. This is what makes it part of the best meals to start the day. And it's also very easy to eat quinoa every day. That's because this food has a neutral flavor. This is why it works in many types of dishes, and you'll never be tired of eating it. However, it is high in calories, so you should keep yourself from eating too much. Pasta. If you think that pasta will make you gain weight, that's because you're not eating it the right way. Pasta is also considered a grain, which should always be included in your diet. Pasta is fortified with protein and fiber to keep your body from absorbing things too quickly, which makes it one of the best carbohydrates that you can find. This is also one of the best things to eat if you exercise a lot because it replenishes your body's energy store and keeps blood sugar from dipping too low. Pasta gives you a lot of energy, and as long as you can spend it, it won't make you gain weight. Whole eggs. Stop wasting any part of your egg when you are eating it. Many people stopped eating eggs when they found out about their high cholesterol and fat content. But surprisingly, doctors said that adding a little bit of cholesterol to your diet won't increase cholesterol levels in your body. And anyway, this risk factor for cardiovascular disease is not as important as we once thought. Whole eggs actually contain nutrients that are really good for your health, including choline and sometimes omega-3. So if you like eggs, don't keep yourself from eating some tomorrow morning. Your body will thank you. Salmon. This type of fish is high in nutrients with reasonable calories, and once your body gets all the nutrients it needs, it won't ask you to eat more than you should. It also includes vitamin B12, which is an essential part of your diet even though you want to protect animals that live on Earth. Salmon is full of lean proteins that will make you feel full longer and does not spike blood sugar. But don't forget that there is no miracle food that is suddenly going to make you thinner. You always need a whole reduced calorie diet and regular exercise if you want to lose weight. Potatoes. Who said that potatoes were bad for your shape? Sure, eating French fries is not the best idea, but there are many ways you can eat potatoes and stay healthy. A man adopted the potato-only diet for a year to lose weight, and this is how he lost 50 kilograms. By the way, eating only one food is always going to be a terrible idea, but it can still show you that potatoes won't make you gain weight, and they can still be part of a healthy diet. As long as you eat plain potatoes instead of baked or fried potatoes, it won't affect your diet. Soup. Eating soup before every meal could be the key to success. You might feel like you are eating more food, but actually, eating soup will make you feel fuller, and you won't need to eat as much when the main meal is served. It will also force you to slow down. This is how you will consume 20% fewer calories during the whole meal, as long as the soup is low calorie. Moreover, eating soup is a great way to add water to your diet. Just give it a try, and you can see that eating soup is a great way to get in shape. Avocado. We totally understand why millennials love avocado toasts. It has become one of the best parts of their diet. This is because eating avocado is a simple way to prevent metabolic syndrome. It's a term used to describe a combination of 3 or more risk factors for heart disease and diabetes, like high blood pressure or a large waist circumference. Avocado has a beneficial effect on cholesterol levels and can help stave off belly fat, which is the most dangerous type of fat. This is why this creamy fruit should be added to your diet, and is even better if you can eat it every day. Nuts. You will go nuts on this new diet. For years, people didn't eat nuts because of their high fat content, but we found out that they should actually be part of a healthy diet. They contain monosaturated fat, vitamin E, folic acid, magnesium, copper, protein, and fiber. They can also reduce the risk of heart disease and can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Moreover, nuts are really filling, so you won't feel hungry after eating them. As always, as long as you don't overdo it, nuts can help you lose weight, and it's even better if you can add it to the next thing on our list. Yogurt. One of our favorite snacks is adding some nuts to yogurt. Don't ever think that you need to starve yourself to lose weight, because your body will just want you to eat more and you won't be able to resist the temptation. Eating yogurt as a snack is a great solution because it is low in calories but also full of nutrients, so you can get the most out of every meal. It's also high in calcium, which increases body fat breakdown and preserves metabolism during dieting. Increasing your calcium intake can reduce belly fat, and you'll also have the chance to eat more delicious snacks during the day. Dark chocolate. Being on a diet doesn't mean that you can never treat yourself. That's because eating a small amount of dark chocolate every day can curb cravings for both sweet and salty foods. The antioxidants in chocolate can also help block the breakdown of fat and carbohydrates, so less food gets absorbed into your bloodstream and it can't get socked away in your fat cells. It can also lower blood pressure and boost the good cholesterol. As always, you shouldn't overdo it, but if you always had a sweet tooth, eating a little bit of dark chocolate every day could actually be good for your diet. Spinach. Here's something new that you need to try. Add a cup of spinach every day to help weight loss. Spinach is a low-calorie food and also a great source of dietary fiber that boosts satiety. Fiber isn't fully absorbed into your body, so it helps you fill up, but it doesn't make you gain weight. What you need to do is replace high-calorie foods with spinach to reduce your overall calorie intake. It can be added to many different types of meals, so you will be able to eat it every day or at least several times a week. It's also a great reason to discover new recipes. Tuna. This type of fish already has a great reputation as a healthy food because it's loaded with essential nutrients that boost your overall health and well-being. It helps with weight loss because of its high protein content and low calorie count. Protein is hard to digest, so your body will burn more calories by trying to break down the protein. This is how eating becomes one of the best ways to get in shape. Just make sure that you choose the right kind of tuna if you really want to be thinner. We suggest tuna steak or tuna canned in water for better results. Beans. There are so many reasons why you should start eating more beans right now. The pulses boost satiety and curb cravings for processed snacks, so you'll end up eating less food after this. It also boosts calorie and fat burning because it contains an amino acid that increases carbohydrates and fat burning. It also offers heart protection because it has an impact on cholesterol and blood pressure. Some people say that it quadruples weight loss, and it has been proven by scientists. There are even more reasons why you should add beans to your diet, and this is why you should go buy some right after watching this video. Grapefruits. This is one of the best fruits you can eat if you're on a diet, as long as you don't eat it with a ton of sugar. However, don't believe the myth that grapefruit burns fat. You should never think that eating one thing all the time is good for you and that losing 10 pounds in 10 days is healthy, because it will just make things worse. The real reason why this fruit is good is that it helps you feel full, so you'll tend to eat less. This is why eating grapefruit for breakfast is a great way to start your day. Don't believe everything you see online, and don't forget that you should always listen to your body. Oats. One of the best ways to start the day is with some oats for breakfast. That's because they are packed with nutrients like healthy carbs and fiber. And there is no reason why you can't go on a diet too, because oats are really affordable. Anyone can try it. Don't say that you don't like the taste, because there are many ways you can eat them. Just make sure that you don't eat too many sugary instant oats. If you don't like things as they are, change them. You are the only one who is keeping you away from your goals. Brown rice. Everyone likes rice, and it's easy to make them part of any meal. Even though it's not low in calories, it can add nutritional value to a diet as long as you eat plenty of other healthy things. It's also full of fiber, and we already know that it's been associated with a lot of health benefits when you want to lose weight. Moreover, it's really easy to prepare and incredibly versatile. Even though any kind of rice is good, brown rice has fewer calories, which makes it the best choice for anyone who is on a diet. Berries. We know that you want to eat sweets, and when you're on a diet, eating a ton of candies is not a good idea. But don't worry, there is always a really easy solution: eating fruits. Berries are full of antioxidants that act like bodyguards, protecting cells from damage like premature aging and disease. They are also linked to weight control because people who consume more antioxidants weigh less. Some berries also reduce blood sugar and insulin levels after meals and can act as metabolism boosters. They are also full of fiber, and you know how much we love them. This is why they make a great dessert if you want to treat yourself after dinner. Vegan food. Many people became vegan simply because they cared about animals, and this is when they found out that it was actually a great way to lose weight. When you're a vegan, it's hard not to eat anything healthy. You have to change most of your eating habits, and saving the animals can be a great motivation to reach your goals. Moreover, when you are part of a community, it's easier to feel supported. A vegan diet gives you more energy, and this is how you are going to be able to exercise more and lose weight. Becoming vegan might be a huge change in your life, but you won't want to go back once you feel all the benefits. Water. It might not be food, but water will always be the most important part of your diet. You should drink a little bit of water every 2 hours to be healthy and to make sure that there won't be too much water in your body at the same time. If you don't like just drinking water, you can always add flavor. Opt for green iced tea, eat fruits full of water, or eat soup. One easy way to lose weight is to simply drink 1 glass of water before every meal so you will feel fuller. Are you going to try any of these foods this year? Can you think of any other healthy food? Don't be shy to answer in the comment section down below. We'd love to hear what you think. And that's it for 20 foods that help you lose weight. For more stories like this, make sure you watch 10 Myths About Food You Still Believe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.